this video. You can hear Bamboleo this video, and today video is about explanation. Yes, okay, the first note is E. Time signature is 4/4 and coupled in the 4 second fret. The first note is D and B. Next note is C sharp. First note is B and D. Double note. Next double note is B and C sharp. Black note. You see PDF here, and you can download this PDF on my Telegram channel. Yes, full version. Next note, double note, and the next double note means M and A. Black note, black, quarter note, B, D, next note is B and C sharp, C sharp, D, C sharp. The 2 bar in 2 quarter note, 1 and 2 and silence, black silence, 1 and 2 and 3, position 2, yes. 4 and third bar is 2 black, 2 quarter, 1 and 2 and black, 2 quarter, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 4 and okay. 5 Waris, 1 and 2 black, 1 and 2 and 1 white note, 4 and 5. 6 bar and 7 bar is silence, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and repeat again. Okay. Eight bar is the main. You play me white note and black note and white note, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. First note is me on the open on the C6 string with the P, and the next note on the third, and 2 string with the M and I right hand, do note on your hand, yes. D and B, the next note is B and C sharp. For copyright, I can't play very fast or I have to have a silent and stop. Yes. The next one, 90. The 19 bar in the second fret of guitar note is the same, B and D. Next note is B and C sharp. 1 and 2 is silence, quarter note, and quarter note, and next and is silence, and next and 3 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 black and 1 silence. 10 bars and 11 bar is repeat. Repeat 3, for example 4 and in 24 and 25, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe me, set the bell on all option for enable notification of new post. Thank you so much. And 4 and is note in 2 quarter note, E and F sharp, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and F sharp with the second fret of 1 string with the 2 finger. The next note is a G on the third fret of 1 string. Chord is E. White 1 and 2 and next one is white 3 and 4 and E note and the open first string open E. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 4 is D and E 13 bar 31 bar. F sharp 1 and white, and next one is D white. You hear that the original arrange, yes, this video. 32 bar is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay. Hammer on, legato hammer on. Note is 33 bar. C, B, C, in 2 quarter, 1 black, 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 D black and C black, black, B black, 1 and 2 and 3 and repeat again. Okay, the 38 bar is next one is F 3 and okay, repeat and 49 bar C pull off and hammer on with B and C hammer on with C hammer with B, D, C, B. In the bass, string, 34 bar, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and E, F sharp in the fourth fret of fourth string, G. Next note is the D and the 45 bar, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the next note is G. The next note is white for white note, D. There's 56 bar, that is B, C, pull off, hammer, excuse me, C to B to C. C, the next is C, hammer on, to black note, to C, to B, C to B. Third fret of fourth string with the 2 finger and the second fret with the 1 finger. The next note is D and the next note is C. 59 bar and 4 is B. Four and one and two and three and four and one and two and three and four and one and three and okay, the 56 bar, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, repeat. Okay, repeat until 83 bar. You can see and hear with chord and original video that here is. And the next time you can see this tutorial, you make sure you hear original my arrange, and the next time hear this video and see this video. If you have any questions, just tell me on comment section.